Me and my gang of seagulls have come down from landing to St. Ives, the sickest scratting about through bins. So now it's our fucking patch down here. Tourists or locals, we don't give a fuck. If you come down to St. Ives, you're going fucking down. All pasties, chips and ice creams are fucking ours. You need to get that fucking straight in your head. We don't give a fuck that you're having a nice day out up the seaside and having something to eat. You're gonna get fucking dive bombed. We're the fucking seagull gangs of St. Ives, and you humans can get to fuck. Alright?